Your defense
Make a little bit of noise. Fight straight.
time runs short.
All right, another quick little test. I think each time it's getting just a little bit better. So that's good. Go there, boom, boom, boom. All right, I just wanted to hop back into this real quick while I'm finishing this up. Just look at the audio profiles here, and you can see how much different the audio is. Here, the first one, every single bar is just like constantly maxed out. Like it's just balls deep the entire time. It's too much to listen to. It's hurts your ears almost. Like you can't even hear me. And then you can take a look at the one on the right. Much smaller volume profile. Like loud things are going to be loud instead of everything being loud.